You, the spitting image of a goddess. You, the self-made empress. You, dear women, are everything that wonderful in a society, failing to see the glass half full. Every breath a blessing and a burden alike. Since the day you were born, you fall, yet you rise. But for a week every month you bleed rivers forming oceans of red, and we men never get what it's like. So we pretend we don't know instead. It starts with an unbearable pain, knowing ache in your abdomen, your body at war with itself, running out of patience. Girls skipping school, swimming, missing office, staying at home feels like a better deal than dealing with all this. Cramps, clots, wretched pain, all aboard the period train. It's a natural process, my child. Mother persists. You will get through it. Best friend insists. Sanitary napkins check. Comfort food check. Some boy talks and sappy movies? Sure. There are curing pain and the nausea, a collateral damage you must endure. A girl tell to her mother, "No ma, this is not what I should go through. This is beyond feel-good checklist. They tell you your blood is your strength, your periods your superpower, femininity oozing out your anatomy to stop. For once, be real. Enough advertisement to make girls feel invincible. Enough products to keep the blood invisible. Our mind conditioned to think what is invisible doesn't exist. I know surely womanly crime diseases are nothing but a myth. I know your argument. I know you will complain. Enough has been said about periods. Social media is going insane. We have liked, we shared, we tweeted for God's sake. Normalize menstruation. What this about the damn ache? Periods are normal. Period pain is not. So stop treating yourself like you deserve this. Stop treating yourself like it's some kind of punishment you get for being as a woman. Stop calling it something natural because it happens over and over again. You did not choose the disease. You did not choose the pain. You did not choose the mood swing, the bloating, the back pain and the body ache. Then why live with it if that's not what it takes? Periods are normal. Period pain is not. It's time to do your research. It's time to put in efforts. Talk to your girlfriends. Tell them to, for once, do this for you. Periods are normal. Period pain is not. Why suffer silently when you can scream because it hurts? Why suffer silently when you can shout because you should? This is your battle. There is a cure. Then why suffer silently?